Hello guys, this is May again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this vlog, I'm going to teach you on how to put place your thumbnail in your video. First, go to this Google Chrome browser and search for YouTube. There you go. Then don't forget to change the setting into desktop. Then click your channel here. Then you can upload a video, or you can also edit your video that you've already uploaded if you want to place a thumbnail on it. Or just if you want to upload a video. This is just an example. So first, you need to select a file from your gallery. Wait. Okay, select a file from your gallery. Then click. This is not really the actual video that I'm going to upload, but since that someone wants to know how to put a thumbnail, so just a quick presentation. So of course you need to put a title of your video. Don't mind this title, this is just an example. And of course, don't forget to write or put there the description of your video. There you go. Then here is the thumbnail. You can upload here the edited thumbnail. Okay, select or browse it from your gallery. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, the picture is there already. Okay, then next, there you go. So you have already your YouTube video thumbnail. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you've learned something from this video that I made. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in my next vlog. Bye.